Good morning, student. Welcome back to the last part or third video of this solution, Cambridge IGCSE, paper 4 extended mathematics 0580, 42 February March 2016. I have done up to question number 8 in my second video. In third video, I'm gonna do question number 9. Okay. O is the origin and OPQRST is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides equal, all angles are equal. Now OP equal to X and OT equal to Y. Write down in terms of X and or Y in its simplest form QR. So QR, this part. Now you can see that this is equal to that and they are parallel. You need to know the properties of this kind of shape. In this this is the shape regular hexagon, so its opposite sides are equal and parallel, so that's gonna be Y. And you can see that X and Y, they have this bold letter, but when I'm writing it I cannot write down that, therefore I'm gonna use a bar underneath, so that's gonna be Y bar. Okay, it's just a way to separate that with a constant or other variable like ax plus by. Okay, this is a variable, but when I'm writing ax, then this is a arbitrary, this is a constant and this is a vector. Okay, so to just separate that, okay, well, I put that one vector. Okay, now this one is variable and this is a vector. You do know that what is variable, what is vector. Now pq, I have to go for PQ. Okay, now there are so many ways you can do that, but one way is when you join this opposite corners or opposite angles like that. Okay, you can see that this one equals to that and this one equal to that, so this whole thing is gonna be x and x, that means 2x. Okay, so PQ can be written as, let me write down, there are so many different ways you can do that. You can go even this way. I think I'll go this way. Okay, this is gonna be y plus x, because this and these are parallel, so it's going to be y. Okay, so y plus x. So PQ is going to be this one. I can write down some later. Let's say I'm gonna put that, what should I put? Let's say H. Okay, so PH plus HQ. Now PH is my y and HQ is going to be x. So I can write down x plus y. Okay, the position vector of S. Position vector means OS. So O to S. So we are looking at this one. So PQ, we already know that PQ is x plus y. So this thing, this TS is opposite of PQ and they are equal. So that nothing but x plus y, and this is also x plus y. Okay, so OS is going to be OT plus TS, and OT is y plus this is going to be x plus y. So that can be written as x plus 2y. So x plus 2y. Now the line SR extended to this, SR extended to Z, so that SR RG in the ratio of 2:1. I need to write down that. That helps us a lot. Find GQ. So GQ, they are asking to find out GQ. So when I try to find out GQ, I'm coming G to R plus R to Q. Now if this is x, this is x. Okay, and you can clearly see that RG is half of that, so this is half x, and I'm going opposite direction. See, this is in this direction, I'm going this opposite direction, so that's gonna be minus half x, and then this is gonna be RQ, not QR. I had somewhere QR, I think QR right over here. Okay, so I'm going, this is QR, I'm going to RQ, so that's gonna be minus y, so that's gonna be minus half x minus y. Okay, now M is the midpoint of OP, so M is the midpoint. Let me just draw this M over here. This M, this is M, and M is the midpoint, so these two are equal. M is the midpoint of OP. Find MG. So where is G? That one. So I'm gonna just draw this line, MG. I need to find out MG. To go MG, I can go MP, MG equal to MP plus PQ plus QG. QG. Now MP is nothing but half x because was in the middle. So half x, and PQ was x plus y, and then QG. See that GQ, so it's gonna be negative half x plus y, opposite direction. So QG is GQ, negative GQ. So when I take the bracket off, that's gonna be half x plus y minus plus half x and plus minus y. So y it doesn't cross out. There is minus, so this is minus. Okay, so that's gonna be plus. So we can cancel out. So over here, see half x and half x, that's gonna be 1x plus x, that's gonna be 2x, and 1y, another y, that's gonna be 2y. So this is gonna be 2x plus 2y. Now this one said H is a point on TQ. H is a point on TQ such that TH, oh sorry, there is an H, so I shouldn't take H here. I could have taken this one K. Okay, K, so I'll change that to, well, I didn't use that, did I? Any place, here. So I'm gonna just put that, sorry about that. Well, it doesn't matter now. H is somewhere over here, somewhere on this place, and then TH, let's say it's over here. That's H. Okay, I'm just gonna write down this is H, some point over here. Okay, and this is says TH, HQ, that 3:1. Okay, and now I have to use vector to show that H lies on MG. H lies on MG. Now, if one point lies on another one, then I have to show that they are collinear. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write down MH. What is MH? MH, I can go this way, then it's gonna be XO, that means minus half x, then plus y, and this is gonna be, this is x, this is x, so 2x, but it says that this is gonna be TH equal to, see, 3:1, so the whole thing is 4, so 3/4 TQ. Now TQ, x plus x, 2x, so 3/4 times 2x, so this cross out, so it's gonna be 3/2x, so this one is 3/2x. Now if I simplify that, 3/2x minus half x plus y, and this is gonna be 2 2's, 3 minus 1, that's gonna be x plus y. Okay, now I'm coming to MG. MG is nothing but 2x plus 2y. Take 2 common, I'm gonna have x plus y, and this is x plus y over here, and that can be replaced by mg, so that's gonna be 2mg. Now see that this 2, this mg and mh, this is mh. Okay, half instead of that xy, I can write down mh. Okay, so mg equal to, therefore mg equal to 2mh, and you know in vector, if we have this relationship, we can say that m, g and h are collinear. What does collinear means? If I have this m and g and h over here, they are on the same straight line. Okay, so they are not they, h is on mg shown. Okay, sorry, I take a lot of space because I wanted to explain these things. Okay, now question number 10. The 10 circles in the diagram 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 each have radius 1. So radius 1, radius 1. The center of each circle is marked with a dot. Okay, calculate the height of the triangle. Now let's draw this, sketch this triangle, and we're gonna find out how big this length is. So over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, because radius is 1, so this side is 6, so this side is 6. You can count that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and over here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is an equilateral triangle, and we know from the opposite vertex, if we join that and make perpendicular, so this is going to be 3 and that's going to be 6. So we can easily calculate that h equal to Pythagoras theorem, 6 square minus 3 square. So 36 minus 9, that's gonna be 36 minus 9, 27, square root 27. Okay, I can keep it like that, square root 27, or I can just find out the value, 5.20. So let's put that 5.20. Okay, that's the height. Now Mr. Patel uses whiteboard pens that are cylinders of radius 1 centimeter. Okay, the diagram shows 10 pens, exactly like that, 10 pens stacks in a tray. The tray is 8 centimeter wide. The point A is the highest point on this stack. Find the height of A above BC. Now we already know from here to this particular place over here. Okay, remember that this particular place, this height is already 5.20. So that's 5.20, and over here this place is 1 centimeter plus 1, and this one is from here 1 centimeter. So that's 5 6 7, 7.2. So that height is 7.2 centimeter. Now the diagram shows a box that hold the pen. This is a box. It's a triangular base prism. The box is prism of length 12 centimeter. The cross section of the prism is equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral, all side equal. The pen touches each of the 3 rectangular faces of the box. So this is tangent to that. Calculate the volume of this box. Now this volume is area of triangle, this triangle, times height or length of that 12. Okay, that's going to be volume. Now I need to find out this area. To get this area, I know that this angle are 60 degree. All I have to do, I have to find out this side. Now to find out this side or this side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to join this, and I'm going to draw this one over here, and this radius is going to be 1 centimeter. And since I bisect one of the angle, is going to be 30. This is perpendicular. I need this part. This is going to be A. So oppo over adjacent, tan 30 equal to 1 by A. So A is going to be 1 by tan 30. So 1 by tan 30 gonna give me square root 3. I'm gonna keep that. Now this is square root 3 and this is square root 3. So this length is going to be 2 square root 3. So length is going to be 2 square root 3. Now I got this. Half formula is area of the triangle. If we have A, B and this theta, if they are not equal, then area of this triangle is half AB sine theta. I'm going to use that, but the difference is this, both of them are A. So it's going to be half, then 2 square root 3 square sine 60, that's the area of the triangle, times 12. Now this is going to be half times 2 square is 4 and a square root 2 is 3, and sine 60 is going to be root 3 by 2 times 12. So this cross out, so it's going to be 36 root 3. So 36 root 3 is going to be 62.4. So it's going to be 62.4 cubic centimeter. Okay. Last one, question number 11. This is function. I have function of x 2 minus 3x, g of x 7x plus 3. Find function of negative 3. So what I'm going to do, in the place of x, since I have minus 3, so over here on the right hand side, in the place of x, I'm going to replace by minus 3. So 2 minus 3 in the place of x minus 3. So 2 minus minus plus 9, it's going to be 11. So that's 11. Okay. Now g of 2x. Okay. G of 2x. So in the place of x, I'm going to put 2x. So that's going to be 7. In the place of x, I'm going to put 2x plus 3. So 7, if I take the bracket off, so 14x plus 3. So it's going to be 14x plus 3. Done. Now this is a composite function g f of x. G f of x. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this f of x by this. So I'm going to have g, and in the place of f of x, I'm going to put 2 minus 3x. Now this is in this form, gx equal to 7x plus 3. So instead of x, I'm going to put 2 minus 3x, the whole thing. So there is 7. In the place of x, I'm going to put that plus 3. And this thing is going to be 2 minus 3x. Now take the bracket off. 14 minus 21x plus 3. 14 plus 3 is 17 minus 21x. So that answer is 17 minus 21x. That's done. Okay. Now find x when 3 function of x equal to 7. So 3, the function of x, the whole thing can replace by 2 minus 3x. So 2 minus 3x equal to 7. So take the bracket of 6 minus 9x equal to 7. If I take it to that side, minus 9x equal to 7 minus 6. So over here, I have minus 9x equal to 1, or x equal to 1 by minus 9. So that can be minus 1 by 9. And then solve the equation this. In the place of x, I'm going to replace by x plus 4. So 2 minus 3, x, instead of x, I'm going to put x plus 4. And g of x, I have 7x plus 3. So 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So taking this bracket off, minus 3x plus minus minus 12 minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Now over here, minus 3x minus 7x minus 10x, and plus 2 minus 12, that's minus 10, and this is minus 13 equal to 0. So minus 10x equal to 13, x equal to minus 13 by 10, or if you want to put that, it's going to be 1.3, so minus 1.3. Okay, so that's it. IGCSE January, February, March 2016, 058042, paper 4 extended has been solved. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Bye-bye.